This is Bonneville, Utah, one of the loneliest places on earth. On most days, there is nothing but salt and silence. But this is not one of those days. This is the story of the longest left turn in history. It started at 1:50 p.m. Sunday, September 9th, 1956. A 1957 Ford flashed by the photoelectric timing cells to start the most merciless run ever attempted on an automobile. In less than 20 days, this Ford traveled 50,000 miles on this blistering salt hell at better than 108 miles per hour. The 1957 Ford set 458 national and international records. The run was made under the supervision of the United States Auto Club and the Fédération Internationale de Automobile. Using modern electronic timing devices like this, where the clocks never stopped, the 57 Ford fought its enemy, time. Every second was counted, including pit stops, where the only time the Ford stopped was for gas and oil and an occasional change of tires, then was off again into the white desert of salt. But time went by. Sunday became Monday. Tuesday went by. The car kept on and on and on. Every part of the Ford, from its mighty Thunderbird V8 engine to its tiniest bolt, defied the plunges behind them. The temperature drops to degrees or less. And at dawn, the Ford more blazing heat as ships. But there was no relief for the Ford. This was a test no other car had ever undergone, let alone successfully concluded. Never before in history has anything on wheels traveled so far in so short a time. 50,000 miles at a sensational 108 miles per hour. What did this test prove? Let's ask Ford's Bonneville crew chief, Danny Ames.
This test was designed strictly to improve the breed of cars, to test durability. We don't want people to drive as fast as we did. What's more, nobody should go as fast, except race drivers on special tracks. We weren't after speed. The big thing was to torture the engine, chassis, and the body. Here we have an all-new car, a new kind of Ford. We wanted to prove to ourselves and to the American public just what we had, and we did. At 50,000 miles, the Ford was still running sweet and smooth. It's better than fine car performance. The new Ford is a great automobile.
This is a new kind of Ford, the car with the mark of tomorrow. See your Ford dealer and he'll introduce you to the greatest change in automobile history, the 1957 Ford.